I would say everything started 7 years ago, where I had the opportunity to work with children with special needs in a special center. So ever since then, I told myself, this is it, we shall just go for teaching instead of any other careers. I wholeheartedly believe in two teaching philosophies. The first being education is for all, second being no child left behind. Because I do believe that everyone should be given the equal opportunity to education, regardless of any circumstances. I do practice the three concepts, SEM method, the first being support, second being encourage, and the third being motivate, because I do believe that when students need the support, we need to be there. We as teachers need to be there to support them, to encourage them, and most importantly, to actually motivate them to reach their full potential.